Yeah. Yeah, me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Woke up this morning, told my mama I'm gonna make us rich. I'm tired of struggling, working hard, I ain't getting shit. I had a dream that I wrote a lot of hits and sold over 1 million off of my first hit. The world loved it, the world couldn't get enough of it. The prophet prophesied and said that I'm gonna be rich. It's time to see it, it's time to meet them Benjamins. I got a gift and I want the whole world to hear it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. I hustle hard cause I got my mind on millions. And when I get my millions, then we talking billions. No, I can't sing like Usher. No, I can't rap like Drake. But I can sing and rap like Sir Derrickson. My style like candy paint. I shine every day. I'm from the city where them hustlers and divas don't play. And when we ask you for money, you better have it, man. Ooh, somebody owe me $1 million. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Somebody owe me $1 million check. I'm looking for it.